WhatsApp Meta AI is a feature introduced by Meta that integrates artificial intelligence into WhatsApp for enhanced user experience. If you are interested in using Meta AI features on WhatsApp, then here is a guide. Meta AI features on WhatsApp might not be globally available yet and could be in the testing phase or rolled out gradually. Firstly, go to your device's App Store or Google Play Store and search for the WhatsApp and tap Update if an update is available. Then, once your app is updated to the latest version, then simply open the WhatsApp. Then in the message or conversation, type down @Meta AI. Then the option will be shown. If available, then follow the on-screen prompts to enable or activate this feature. If not, then the Meta AI option is not available on your region. You can also use VPN for that section. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.